Hello everyone, welcome back to the Insight Learning. In previous two classes, we have seen the concept of the opportunity cost and extension and contraction of demand. In today's class of the economics, we are going to see the concept of the explicit and implicit cost. So before moving to the concept, do like, share, subscribe and hit a bell icon for the further updates. Suppose this is Mr. Bob who has his own production house and he has hired two persons, let's say A and B, from the market for the construction of the building near the production house. So if he is hiring a person, he must have paid something in return, right? So the amount which he has paid in return is known as a wages. Hence, if the cost is incurred on higher factors of production, it is known as a explicit cost. Let's see in the detail. So the explicit cost is expenses incurred by the firm on the factors of production which are higher is a explicit cost. The expenses are seen and further it is recorded in the books of accounts. That's why it is known as a explicit cost. Let's see the examples for this. So the raw material charges or the wages and the power charges, transportation and salary which is paid, which been paid to the factors of production, like we have the land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So these are the expenses which are incurred by the firm on the hired. Here the underlining word is a hired, is known as a explicit cost. Now let's see the concept of the implicit cost. When the business firm incurred expenses on own factors of production. Remember the word own factors of production. It is also known by the name retained earnings or inputted cost. These costs are not actually paid, but they are paid by the owner itself. Suppose suppose like payment of the interest on the own capital, right? Here the word own must be remembered. Giving a salary to the entrepreneur for his services. If entrepreneur itself is providing some services to his production house or the business firm, it is added in a it is said as a implicit cost. Suppose, and one more example, if the entrepreneur has his own land using for the business purpose but not been accounted in a books of accounts, if he is paying a rent for that but that rent is not going to add in the books of accounts, so it is known as a implicit cost. So expenses are done by the entrepreneur but these expenses are not included in the books of account, is known as a implicit cost. Just remember this. In accounting sense, the explicit costs are considered for the estimating the profit, and in economic sense the implicit cost is considered for the estimating the profit. So just remember two words before moving. For the explicit cost, remember the word hired, and for the implicit cost, remember the word own factors of production. Thank you. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the further updates. Thank you very much.